Good morning.
Hi.
And we're here to teach you how to speak in English in British accent. What word do you want me to say?
Instead of saying airport, it's airport.
It's airport, not airport.
Yeah. And instead of saying what?
Instead of saying support, you say support.
Yeah.
Support.
Like support. Yeah.
And Princess is supporting his brother to.
Yeah. His brother doesn't.
Okay. So we'll have a twist.
His brother doesn't.
Emir will
Airport sa Filipino.
She has the Filipino accent. Princess is the English accent, and I will say it in British accent. So Emir,
Airport.
airport,
Little.
Lil,
Dream.
dream,
Daddy.
daddy, support,
Birthday.
birthday, support. Bye bye. We're gonna have
Thank you for having us. Yeah. Bye bye.